Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm here with a new to me project. I learned about this from Rachel at Roxy Creations, and this is a challenge put on by Brooke, whose YouTube channel will be listed below, and it's called 52 Tags Handmade. And you take a tag, and each week she gives you prompts for things or colors or designs to use in making hand-stitched tags. So week 1, and I'm way behind the curveball. This started at the very first of the year. So I'm behind the curveball. But the first week was all white. So I've got a little bit of a linen napkin here. And if you've watched me much at all, you know I don't deal in a lot of white. So I had to do a little bit of scrounging and basically pull out stuff that hasn't been coffee dyed yet. So I'll be using a lot of lace trim on here. So I thought I might use a little bit of that. I've got this that I thought I might put on. Maybe a little of this at the bottom. I'm just trying to, even though it's mostly lace trim, trying to get some different textures. And then I pulled out some buttons. Probably put that one right there just to cover that seam. So, I may do something just that simple for this first one. And I don't know if I will do this every week, but I'm thinking for as long as I do this, I will put it up on Fridays and make it be sort of my Fabric Friday attempt. And I'm hoping, because hand stitching is not, I enjoy it, but it's not something that I'm confident with or very good at all. But I thought this might be a way for me to get better. Okay, so certainly not going to attempt, Anne was talking about 15 or 20 minutes, and I thought, yeah, sure. Not for me, at least not to start with. So I'm going to start with something like that, and I'm going to get this sewn, and I will be back to show you what I end up with. All right, I finished sewing my first tag of hashtag 52 tags handmade, all white, and I'm actually not unhappy with it. Of course, this was easier because I was using white thread on white fabric and lace, so that made it a little easier. You can't see my horrible hand stitching. The only thing I think I would do differently, and I contemplated this, but I already had my buttons sewn on, I just tacked around the tag to tack it on. I put some Fabri-Tac down and then just tacked around it. I think probably next time I would actually machine stitch around the outside edge. But that's me, because eventually I may want to use these in a junk journal. I don't know, but I would like to have that option. But there's tag number 1. So I already know what tag number 2 requires, but we'll see that next week. So until next time, everyone, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.